Okay, in this video we've got an SSD upgrade for a HP dash P 157 SA or NA, is one or the other. Either way, we're doing that, and there's a secondary caddy that's also going in where the CD drive goes, the optical. So we'll get that out, put the hard drive, another hard drive in there for extra storage, and should be jobs are good. So we're just going to start by unscrewing all the screws that hold it in, the two bumper screws at the top by the battery, and the screws underneath. And then once that's done, we're just going to take our pry tool and pry around the edges, lift the keyboard up, unplug it, and install our new SSD and caddy. On this laptop there is the keyboard connector, the touchpad connector, or trackpad, sorry, and the power button connector. Once you've undone the retaining clips on all of them and removed the flex from it, remove the keyboard. And once you've removed the keyboard, just going to unplug the SATA from the hard drive. As you can see, it's your good old spinning rust. It's a terabyte on this one, but I'm going to check the health of it. I don't think it's overly great on this one, but I could be wrong. Okay, I'm just installing the hard drive to the caddy. It comes with 4 screws. Once I can get that lined up and actually get it in. Okay, now that I've got that aligned, I'm just gonna get the screws that come with it, screw the hard drive in, grab the cover that goes over the old disk drive, put that back on, and then put it back in. Okay, so I've unscrewed the rubber bumper that was on the old hard drive. I've screwed it into the holes into the SSD, and now I'm just plugging that back in, realigning it, and that. I didn't want to sit in there. Just going to plug that sort of subboard back in, the flex. So one that's got the USB and the headphone jack on it. Plug that back in and install the caddy. And once all that's in, just get that back, get the keyboard aligned. Once the keyboard's aligned, get the flexes plugged in, clip it back in place and test. Make sure it all works. I'm going to have to reinstall the operating system. What I go for, I'm not 100% sure yet. It'll probably be Windows on this one. And once it's all clipped back in place, we'll just put all the screws back in because it all tested fine. It powers on and recognises both of the hard drives. So the only thing really to do now is I'm going to screw it back together and go through the setup of reinstalling, because reinstalling Windows, if anybody knows, can take forever. I should specify that it's with Windows 10 that I'm going for. I did do the testing of the hard drive before I installed it. I used smart testing on disk utilities on Ubuntu, or Xubuntu as I like to use, and obviously it wasn't perfect, but it had practically no errors, no read error rates, so I was happy with it for what it was. Okay, yeah, so just need to install the operating system, so that'll be everything for today. Take care, have a great day. Please like and subscribe for more.